Yeah guys, today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some rice and peas and chicken. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook all in one. As you can see in the pot, the peas cook. You see I'm putting the chicken, some chicken wings and chicken back. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave it for you go and cook for a while, and then me put in my coconut milk. See my coconut milk. You understand my dealings. See me ground season. Me already season the chicken already. So I don't need a lot of bag season inside my pot. Cause I'm gonna use the coconut milk too. So and I have a lot of ground season. When me season the chicken, as you can see, I have a lot of ground season inside the pot. So what I go do, I go leave this, make it go and cook, and you go see what I go on in the kitchen. Just stay tuned. This name all in one. Rice and peas, but everything in one. Rice and peas and chicken. So stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, and I have some more ground season over here. So when me put in the coconut milk, I go put in it, and I have one chicken. See? This is the only powder season I go use after me put in the coconut milk. I'm not gonna use a lot of bag season. I already seasoned the chicken with some chicken season and stuff. So watch what I go on, guys. I don't like a lot of bag season. You understand my deed? So watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah. So the pot of boil. You understand my deed? Guys, the pot of boil, I like it. It's the coconut juice and the chicken season and the ground season, then one together. That's the third. Guys, I will see finishing look when we finish cook. I will see the finishing look. And the rice and peas and chicken all in one. I will see all in one. It'll come like pillow, but this is not pillow. You understand what I mean? This is not pillow. Also, I have some Irish inside too, so watch what I want, guys. That's what I go back and love each other. See that, guys? That's a cook. Yes, good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put little salt. A little more. I'm really need the salt. Yeah. But yeah. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in some butter. So we put inside the butter now, so Soon from now, I'm gonna put in the coconut juice. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the ground season last. So after I put in the coconut milk, I put in the season, make it cook down because then I put in the rice. So watch out. Guys, it's not I'll put about a week if you remember me. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my seasoning. No, I'm not putting the seasoning, I'm gonna put in my coconut milk. Not the seasoning, I'm putting the coconut milk first. Yes, so this is my coconut milk. So guys, I'm gonna leave it to boil liquor. So around 2 to 3 minutes boil up, then we put in the seasoning, then we put in the rice. That's what I'm going. Yeah guys, looking at the pot. So I go on in the pot. Pot a bubble up. You understand now? It's the only thing left to go in the pot now are the ground season and my rice. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in the rest of my ground season as you can see. Yes, so yo, that party I go back, me not lie if you tell you, remember me tell you that. And the last thing I'm gonna put in the pot, the chicken season. See it there? That is the last thing I'm gonna put inside. Right. So after I put that now, you don't know, I wash my rice and I put in my rice. You understand what I did? So I'm gonna put in that now. So I'm gonna put in the chicken season. So watch how I go on. Yeah guys, as you can see now, my rice inside the pot. Understand me how I did see it there? Rice in the pot. See, so I go on, rice in the pot. So guys, watch that one here. I want you to drop a comment and like the video. And remember, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. As a video drop, you can have it, okay? So watch what I go on in Nicholas' kitchen. Guys, you're gonna see the finishing look here. So, yo guys, look what I go on in the kitchen, okay? Oh, you see that? You see that, Tacha? Oh, you see that, guys? You see that? Good. You see that? I'm going to turn on the stove a little. And when I turn on the stove, I'm going to put a plastic bag over it to steam. So guys, watch what I'm going. Watch it. You see that? I'm going to put a plastic bag over it to go and steam also. You're going to see the finishing look, guys. Yeah, so I put a plastic bag over it to go and steam. So guys, I go see the finishing look at my rice and peas, my all-in-one rice and peas. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, look what I go on in the pot now. You see it? I'm making go and steam down. You understand what I did? Alright, so watch how I go on. The finishing look, you go see the finishing look. Guys, look on the pot. So I go on just to steam out a little, you know, you understand all this, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, I'm gonna check the pot again. So I go on, see that rice I go on steam, you know. Can go on steam out. But I cook guys, you see that? Almost done, you can see chicken all on top and something. Guys, I go see when the pot done what I go on tonight, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. And my rice and peas and chicken all in one. Everything cooked together. You understand what I did here? So you don't know things set up. And when we want to do, like the video, share and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I'm out.